All right.
All right, we live right now. We leaving Orlando. Everybody's leaving Orlando right now from a brilliant session conference and everything.
Yes.
And then a late night mastermind. So we building legacies here. So next time y'all need to be here. Who is that? I guess I do.
Yes, tag me. Okay. Yay.
She's waiting on her Uber right quick to take her to her sister's house, and I'm waiting on Mr. Bless Ellis to come on out. He done rushed me about 5-6 times. And I'm standing out here waiting. He's standing.
And it's hot already, y'all, in Orlando.
Hot.
It's hot already. And it's like, what, 9:04 a.m. Yeah.
But next time, you know, we already putting it out in the spirit right now. We having our conference in what do you say? Oh, you were asleep by then. In August.
Man, they was up so late. I was like sleep. They was just talking about me so bad that I was snoring and stuff. I'm like, look, a sister gotta get some Z's, okay?
Telling you. But we having our next mastermind in August, and it's gonna be back down here in Orlando again. But this time it's gonna be for the Stop Playing movement. Y'all ready to level up? Stop playing with your finances. Stop playing with your family's future. Then you need to be here because see, we not playing. We don't do this for fun. We're not doing this. Are you doing it for fun?
Not for fun.
I'm doing it for my last name.
Yeah.
There go her Uber right there.
There go my Uber. So, gotta go, y'all.
So yeah, we gotta get her going. How you turn this thing around? Right there.
Yep. All right.
Yeah, so we got her. Say hi, Uber. You on FaceTime. You on Candy Camera. We getting out of here. We leaving Orlando. You can get this. I'm about dead. We're leaving Orlando. Getting up out of here now. Ray, yes. I'll see you, babe.
All right, babe.
Be safe. Take care of my girl, man. All right, take care. Take care of my girl. Now.
Be happy.
All right, we leaving the mastermind there. We getting out of here. We're gonna be leaving it shortly. Get on. Bye, bye, baby.
All right. See
we all leaving. Who? Are y'all leaving too? Okay. Are y'all getting up out of here too? We getting out of here, but y'all need to be the next one. We doing the mastermind back down here in September. What did I say? August. And this time we're gonna be building 6-figure incomes for people. Down here, we already got the plan set out. We already got the plan set out for making funnels, you know, for utilizing social media. It's how we build this thing. And you know, when we teaching people how to build their brand,
all right.
You gotta stop.
Be safe, be easy. We see you back in August.
Back in August. That's right. Back down here in August again. We're gonna be showing people how to build, you know, their brand. Stop building companies. Stop promoting companies and start promoting yourself. Whatever your name is, you got to get your name in print. You got to get your name online, you know, like mine's kirkwheeler.biz. You got to own your name. That way, when you're doing something, people can follow you. So that's what we're going to be back showing next time. Coming out here showing people how to take care of social media, how to create substantial residual income. Because, see, you got to feel like this. Do you have a mentor, right? If you don't have a mentor, who are you looking to follow, right? Are you making money while you sleep? If you're not making money while you sleep, you're going to work till you die. And that's just the thing, you know. Are you doing productive things? Are you doing income producing activities? So we're gonna be talking about all these strategies to change people's lives back here. You know, and we're building this platform in the Stop Playing movement. So y'all need to come join the Stop Playing movement on Facebook. You know, we're showing people how to level up their finances. We're showing people how to get good credit. We're showing people how to shift their income, which is going to immediately add $200 to $600 a month into their pockets. We're showing people how to make their money work for them overnight. See, if your money's not creating babies, all right, now, if your money's not creating babies, you know, while you sleep, you're not making money. So that's just the thing. So that's what we're going to be teaching people. So y'all come look us up in the Stop Playing movement on Facebook, and then go to my Facebook. Just go ahead and go to the Stop Playing movement on Facebook. Join us at the Stop Playing movement on Facebook. Send a request to get into that right there. And then we're going to be showing y'all how to level up. Here comes the man right here, Mr. Bless Ellis. He's going to be, like I said, we're going to be back out here in August.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Listen, man, exciting times. If you are watching this is live, right?
That's live, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are watching this live, man, and you know Kirk Wheeler, y'all need to stop playing.
Don't tell
You know, there's another level of living out there. There's another level of financial education out there that you don't realize is available to you that will change your life overnight. I promise you that.
Tell them, but we don't do this for fun.
No,
we don't do this for fun.
We don't do this for fun, but we have a whole lot of fun doing it. Stop playing. You know what I mean? As y'all can see, you know, we have 5 mansions out here.
5 of them.
5 of them, and one 25,000 square feet. And you know, it's not to impress you; it's to impress upon you.
That's right.
You know what I mean? So you can realize your dreams, realize your potential. You know. You know, and you know, we do this all the time. We talk about this all the time, you guys. Y'all see us all the time. If you follow Kirk Wheeler, you see that he's serious and he continues to progress. Stop playing.
Stop playing.
You know, it shows in what we do. This is not fake. This is real life, and we live in real life. You know, this is not a movie you guys are watching.
But we
just
gonna make it a
making
movie.
movies.
We making movies.
That's it.
We
Stop
making
playing.
movies. See, we had at 3 o'clock. We started last night at midnight. See, while y'all was sleeping at midnight, you know, y'all sleeping at midnight. We doing a live session from midnight to 3:30 this morning, just sitting there with minds, saying, what's our next move? What's our next thing that we're doing? You know, inside of the Stop Playing movement to actually increase our finances. I'm not satisfied where I am. I'm not satisfied where I am right now. I got to do more. I need more. I need more. I'm not satisfied exactly where I am. So we planned last night for 3.5 hours from midnight to 3:30 in the morning, talking about what's our next move, how we changing people's lives. And we doing this thing. Like I said, we don't do it for fun, but we really have a lot of fun, make a lot of money doing it. So y'all holler, come back and check us out at the Stop Playing movement. Get in there on Facebook. You know, look me up on Facebook, Kirk Wheeler on my page. And let's stop playing. Let's level up our finances. And best thing about it, let's stop teaching our children and grandchildren how to live broke. That's what I refuse. Just stop teaching them how to live broke. Start teaching them how to live. Because you got to do what's you want to be, or even mediocre. That's right, true. So because if you want to be successful, you want to make a lot of money, you got to do it. You got to do what the rich people do. You got to do what wealthy people do. You got to have that business sense to follow successful people. So I'm out of here, y'all. Y'all have a good one. We gonna be gone. Take it easy.